How to filter photos by size on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Files application on your phone. The Files app serves as a central hub for managing files on your device and in cloud storage. Once you're here, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Browse. Go to the Location section and tap on My iPhone. You can view all your folders over here. Tap to open any folder from here. As you can see, the photos in this folder are sorted alphabetically. If you want to sort them according to their size, then tap on the three dots at the top right. From here, you can choose how you want to sort the albums. Scroll down and select Size. The photos will now be sorted according to their sizes. Following these steps, you can easily filter photos by size on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.